Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be remodeling my living room. Y'all, I already did the kitchen. If you're new, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. This is how my apartment is looking now. If you're returning, what's good, what's poppin', sis? Let's get right into it. Y'all know I like to get right to the point. So I am taping off the ceiling. This was the first thing that I did, showing y'all that it's all taped off. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with some paint. Y'all, I absolutely hate, like, look at this white compared to what they had in here. Like, it's like a off-white tan, like eggshell color. Like, I hate it. But yeah, this your girl Pain. No, I didn't do all this all by myself. My best friend helped me. And y'all, so I decided to put a black wall in here. Y'all see I got paint in my hair, yes. But it came out. So this little tool that I got right here, it helped out tremendously. Oh my god, you see how clean that's getting across there? Okay, yes, so let's get into it, because yes, my best friend is the best, like, ever. She helped me out and she know a lot about this stuff as well. So um yeah, y'all, that black wall and that white is just giving. Like, y'all see how more vibrant and looking here now that I got that gone. So now I got the furniture gone. Stanley Steamers came in here and cleaned the carpet. Y'all, I went to the furniture store and I found this rug. Me and Woo literally walked right to it. So y'all, I did some of my own custom decorations for my home. Y'all know I like to be different. Like, I don't like to have what everybody else got. So I'm spray painting these books. Y'all, this was my first time. I feel like I definitely should have like did one side at a time, let it dry, then did the other side. But I mean, they came out good still. But next time I know. So these right here, I got these books from the thrift store for like $1. And I did get the hardcover books because I feel like they was easier to paint. You don't want to get the paperback books because it's just like, I feel like they're not gonna hold. So this is what I'm doing. And like I said, do one side first. I definitely recommend that, and let it dry and then you do the other side. So this project is gonna be super cute, but y'all gonna have to follow me on social media to see the rest of that one. This one, I got some gold ones. I actually love these. I got these from Walmart, and I am painting one of them black, and I'm going to do the other one white. They came out, and that's the white one right there. And these are the books dry. So we're going to go ahead and put on, I'm pretty sure y'all seen the books where they got, like, they usually do like Tom Ford, Christian Dior, and type shit like that. But you know me, I gotta do the black owned businesses. So my brother have a clothing line called, make sure y'all shop. It will be listed down below in the description box. I'm doing my best friend Akeem Apparel, and also I am going to do Yeezy and Off-White. But did use all the same letters, but I wanted to do different ones, so I gotta get some more letters to fix it. So I picked that little bowl up from the dollar store, and then I got the little thing that got the writing on there. I got that from the thrift store. Well, probably about 60 cents. Use some E6000 glue, whatever. And put the weights in and just let that sit overnight. And this right here, I wanted to make the chain look, I don't know if y'all seen them, but they are very expensive. So you know, I had to make my own. And I really did not finish it on this video. So like I said, y'all gonna have to follow me on social media so y'all can see the final and finishing look of the chains. So I'm gonna go ahead with the same glue and glue those back together and let that dry overnight. So I believe this is the next day. This is dry and this is how it's looking. This is the book stacked. So I'm gonna go in with this primer, y'all. I got all my spray paint from Menards. So I'm gonna go in with the white first, and then I'm gonna go in with this little granite stone wash like color. Y'all, this came out super cute. I did not want it perfect. Like, I didn't, like, you'll see in 1 second. But yeah, I ain't want it perfect, y'all. Oh, y'all, wow, I didn't even show you the whole thing. Okay, so this is my entertainment center that I ordered from Amazon. Y'all, I absolutely love it. It gave it a real nice modern look in my apartment. Like, look at this. I love it. And it was not expensive. It wasn't too hard to put together. If y'all want to shop any of these Amazon products, make sure y'all um, click my Amazon link down below to get it. I also got this table from these two tables from Amazon. They came together as a set. Y'all, super easy to assemble. All you have to do is screw in the legs. Y'all gonna see all that in a second. I got the lights from Amazon, and this is how they looking. I got my curtains from Amazon. And y'all, I'm just so excited. Got a little remote to it. And y'all, this is what the rug is looking like. The rug goes with everything. Like, I couldn't believe we just really walked into it. So this is what it's looking like right now. I did not get rid of my picture. As y'all can see, I love that lady on the wall. So this is what the table's looking like put together. This is my furniture, y'all. I literally got expensive taste because I wanted the most expensive freaking furniture at the place. So that is a phone charger. This is a light. It came with a couch. Nails by Row. My sister snapped on these. These are my natural nails too, by the way. I absolutely love them. Super cute. If y'all in Chicago, make sure y'all get y'all nails done by my sister. The couch came with speakers and like Bluetooth and all that, y'all. I am like super excited because I did not even know that the couch came with that. That's why it's so expensive. It got 2 recliners on it as well. Y'all, I keep trying to show my nails off. So y'all, I picked up some sand from the dollar store. It's like some tan and white. And then I forgot what these are called, but I got them from Walmart for about $2. I got that vase from the dollar store. And y'all, yes, we budgeting, okay, sis? So I wanted these to kind of be like in a staggered look, so I didn't know how to get them to where I needed to. So I just went ahead and put some tape on it, measured them to where I wanted them. And yeah, sis, like, let's get it. Let's get it. Some clear tape, and you would never know. You would never know, sis. And y'all know I'm doing my little TikTok videos as well at the same time. Yeah, I'm working, y'all. I'm working. So I'm doing with the white, tan, white, tan, white, tan, white, tan, white, tan. And you'll see how that look in 1 second. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I absolutely love it. Super cute, nice and modern. Looks really good on my black wall. I got that mirror from Walmart as well. So this is the plant. I got this from where did I get this? Oh, Amazon. I ordered it from Amazon. I got this flower pot from Walmart. I got this moss from Walmart as well. And we finna make it look real, sis.
The plant, my part that I go for was, a little too big, but that was fine for me. I don't really care if it's big, perfect or not. So I wrap like an old t-shirt around here, as y'all can see, and then I'm gonna put some of this on there to cover it up, and we're gonna add the rest of the leaves to the top of here. And yeah, it's it. Now, this creating this look is so fun because I just wanted to do something that was like me, and I wanted to like really feel like home, since I'm working from home, and I just wanted to be more camera friendly in here, like like where you can take a picture or whatever you feel, whenever, type of vibe, So, and I feel like I definitely achieved the look that I was doing, so y'all don't know how happy, how excited I am. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do what we gotta do on this plant, okay? Yeah, my camera's gonna die. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. We're not gonna know. We're gonna know. We're not gonna know. Oh yeah, my camera about to die. I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna show you my battery.
Okay, so right here for the plant, you do have to shape the leaves to how you want it. I feel like my shaping was okay. It's not 100% how I want it, but I feel like it's presentable. Um, and you always can go back in and try to do it. It don't look like I'm doing much because this part of the video is fast forwarded, but y'all get the picture. Go ahead and bend them leaves to your liking, and yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah, Geek Squad came out. They were supposed to be putting my TV up, but the wall mount wasn't long enough. So my brother ended up doing it for me. So this is my old apartment and what it looked like before. And I'm about to get ready and show y'all the final and finishing look. But y'all, I absolutely love it. Let me know what y'all think. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Look at this, y'all. I love y'all so much. But I absolutely love this living room. Like, my couch is so comfortable, y'all. Like, it's like you sit on it, you damn near want to go to sleep. I still got to update my books. Put my letters on there with my black owned businesses, and y'all, it's just everything in here. This is, my vision has come to life, like, for real. I went ahead and changed my flower pots as well, and this is my mirror. And y'all, this is the final and finishing look of the centerpiece right here. But like I said, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts. Follow me on all social medias. I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out. Peace.